Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series is already generating buzz, and not just for the phones themselves. A recent leak has revealed exciting details about the new protective cases, which are expected to debut alongside the devices this September. The cases feature a brand new material, a surprising design twist, and a name that echoes Apple's past. Tech woven. Apple's reinvention of fine woven. Remember, fine woven? Apple introduced it with the iPhone 15 series as a sustainable alternative to leather. While it had a premium look, it didn't quite win over users. Complaints about wear and durability led Apple to quietly retire it within a year. Now, Apple is reportedly ready to try again with tech woven, a new material designed to fix fine woven's flaws. According to leaks, it has a slightly textured surface for better grip and reduced wear. It resists glossing and fading, maintaining its look over time. It's eco-friendly, continuing Apple's push for sustainability. It offers a rubbery feel that improves hold and reduces drops. While it may sacrifice some luxury for practicality, tech woven could become Apple's new standard for premium cases. 5 new colors and a first-ever feature. The leaked images show tech woven cases in 5 muted tones: steel blue, gray, lawn green, mauve, and salmon. Apple will likely give them more elegant names, but the shades suggest a refined, understated aesthetic. The real surprise? Lanyard holes. For the first time, Apple appears to be adding support for lanyards directly into its official cases. The packaging mentions compatibility with a cross-body strap, hinting at a new wearable accessory from Apple. This marks a major shift in Apple's design philosophy, offering users more personalization and convenience. Leaked packaging. Authentic or inspired? While the boxes shown in the leak aren't confirmed to be official, they closely resemble Apple's real packaging. The layout, font, and design language are consistent with Apple's branding. The cases feature wide camera cutouts and no oddly placed logos, making the leak feel credible, even if it's not final. Functional upgrades. More than just style beyond aesthetics, the new cases are rumored to include MagSafe. Compatibility for seamless charging and accessory use, built-in camera control cover, possibly mimicking Apple's pressure-sensitive touch features, metallic button covers for improved tactile feedback. These upgrades suggest Apple is focusing on both form and function, aiming to enhance the user experience in everyday use. Available for all iPhone 17 models, tech woven cases are expected to be available for all 4 iPhone 17 models. While separate rumors mention a battery case for the iPhone 17 Air, this particular leak doesn't confirm it, leaving room for future surprises. Final thoughts. A new chapter for Apple accessories? If the leaks are accurate, Apple is preparing to redefine its accessory lineup with tech woven. The combination of improved durability, eco-conscious design, and new usability features like lanyard holes and camera control covers could make these cases a must-have for iPhone 17 users.